Industrial automation technology is the foundation of the manufacturing industry. Under the guidance of Made in China 2025, China's industrial automation brands have begun to rise comprehensively and become an important force that cannot be ignored. In 2011, Hypercontrol followed the trend, being established and dedicated to the construction of China's industrial automation. Hypercontrol strives to become the most valuable industrial automation core component and solution provider. Get started? Build on the momentum. Times are changing rapidly, and in the face of fierce competition, Hypercontrol employs unique ingenuity to establish the core of this responsible enterprise. Working hard to move forward, Hypercontrol always adheres to the corporate values of innovation, integrity, and service. To seize the opportunity of cooperation, Hypercontrol abides by the corporate mission to be the most valuable industrial automation core component and solution provider. Driven by innovation, Hypercontrol makes great efforts to realize the corporate vision to create a better life through our work. Just as the morning sun rises in the east, we seek to always remember where we started. Hypercontrol has recently begun its ambitious plan, and we walk into the future with confidence and optimism. Persistent development and sustainable innovation. Integrating into the modern era of rapid development, Hypercontrol focuses on research and development and comprehensively improving corporate fortitude. Hypercontrol has built 4 BG sectors of industrial automation, industrial robots, industrial machinery, and digital factories. Until now, Hypercontrol has insisted on investing more than 10% of its turnover to research and development. The company has established 4 major R&D centers with more than 300 R&D personnel.
Hypercontrol has secured 19 innovation patents, 82 utility model patents, 67 industrial design patents, 80 software copyrights, and 9 copyrights of layout designs of integrated circuits.
Hypercontrol seeks leading-edge product innovation and spearheads the rapid growth of this industry. Relying on mature development capabilities and a professional management team, Hypercontrol comprehensively develops the core technology of industrial automation to create overall industrial automation solutions for customers. Hypercontrol insists on the integrated construction of digital factory infrastructure, emphasizing interconnection and intercommunication between the information, control, and device sectors. Based on in-depth manufacturing, a higher self-control rate for the whole industry chain has been achieved. We have built a complete vertical industrial chain incorporating a CNC precision workshop, electronic mounting workshop, automatic assembly workshop, and automatic die casting workshop. The chain adheres to the strict quality management system to guarantee high development, high control, and high quality. From the 2 dimensions of professional fields and high-quality teams, we have built an industrial management team and a system solution development team. Likewise, we established a seamless industry map and industry process library with customer service as our first priority, each with a complete technical service team and a full distribution chain to build a win-win ecosystem for manufacturers. From innovation to service, Hypercontrol has gradually matured to survive the torrent of the times. With such growth, ongoing development of the corporate culture will provide yet another breakthrough. Corporate culture, long-term orientation. Hypercontrol has a long-lasting and rooted cultural foundation linking its stages of maturation and perpetuating the increase in corporate value. Service first, sales second is inherent to the core mission of Hypercontrol. With deep insight and understanding of customer needs, Hypercontrol provides considerate service, pre-sale solution development, after-sales product quality services, and consulting and training services. Hypercontrol has created a seamless FAE structure to ensure the timeliness of pre-sale solution development services and after-sales quality services. Concurrently, we have created the Zhuanghe Automation Academy, an online and offline training platform to provide continued technical training for dealer partners and employees. Over the past 10 years, Hypercontrol has continued to innovate and keep pace with the times, adhering to the corporate mission to be the most valuable industrial automation core component and solution provider. We continue to achieve corporate value in China's industrial automation construction and development sector. Our advancement goes hand in hand with national development, building strong partnership within the field through common progress, cooperation, and mutual benefits. We seek to transform the modern landscape of corporate culture and construct a new pattern of enterprise development. In the golden age of China's industrial automation, Hypercontrol will make efforts to stay one step ahead of the trend to advance China's industry. With the imagination of yesterday and the efforts of today, Hypercontrol is committed to building a great blueprint for our future.